people, welcome back to my channel. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, you are the best. So in this video we'll talk about another HR interview experience of Wipro NLTH 2021. So without any further ado, let's quickly move on to the questions that were asked in this interview. So this interview was scheduled on 15th of April 2021. So firstly, as it happens in every interview, the interviewer asked the candidate to introduce herself or himself. Okay, so you should be prepared with your introduction from beforehand. You can use your mirror and practice in front of the mirror, and that would really help you you give your introduction in real interview or when you sit for the real interview. Okay. So the next question was, what is your biggest accomplishment in life? So this candidate, uh, she had done a paid internship in some company and she had got stipend for that. That is really good. So that is what she said. And then they inquired about the internship and what all skills you learned there, what were the projects you worked on. So all these things they inquired from her. Okay, you could say like for example, what is your biggest accomplishment? You could say that I had stage fear, but I got through it. I practiced speaking in front of I practiced public speaking, and now I have gotten over my stage fear. So this is another biggest accomplishment that you can have in your life. Just an example. Okay, next question, why Wipro? So you are sitting for the interview of a company, so obviously they will ask you, why do you want to join our company? What intrigues you, what excites you about our company? So before sitting for the interview, do your homework, research about the company. Okay, and confidently answer whenever you are asked such questions. So the next question is your views on offline versus online learning. So the interviewers want to know your views on offline versus online learning. What are advantages of offline learning? What are the disadvantages of offline learning? And same for online learning as well. They want to know your thoughts on both these learning. Okay. So you should be prepared for these questions. Also, you should be prepared for questions like what are the advantages of work from home, or what is the advantage of in office. Okay, so be prepared with all these questions because these are the things that are going around as of now. So are you okay with relocation? This is also one of the basic HR question that is asked, that are you okay with relocation? Do you have any problem with relocation or not? So just be honest and say your answer. Next question. So next question, service agreement, education gap, backlogs, work shift. So these questions are really very easy to answer. Before you sit for the interview, you have already researched about the company, so you must be knowing what is the service agreement for this profile that you are sitting for. Education gap, if you have any, just say yes, or how many years of gap you have to tell that. Then if you have any backlogs, just tell them the number. If you don't have, tell them I don't have any backlog. Work shift, are you okay with any shift like day shift or night shift? You just have to say yes. So these are very easy questions. You don't have to worry about such questions. You'll be lucky if you're asked such questions because it will be very easy to answer. Next question, finally, they asked what are the programming languages you know so far. So, in your college, what all languages have you learned? They're asking about that. If you are from computer science, you must know C, and then Java or Python, or if you know all, then it is well and good. Okay, so you have to tell them, you have to be honest, what all languages do you know? If even if you know just one language, just be honest and tell them that I know only this language and I'm good at that. Okay. Next, at last, she mentioned Wipro is one of the best companies to gain knowledge and improve your career. So the interviewer told the candidate that Wipro is one of the best companies that you can join and improve your career and get along. Okay. So a lot of you have been asking me doubts like what to answer if this question is asked in any HR interview, what not to say, what can be the ideal answer or what can be an answer to this question. So if you have any such question, comment down. Okay, I'll see and I'll answer all of your questions and clear all of your doubts. Okay, so comment down all the questions that you want me to answer. Okay, and please do like, share and subscribe if you're not still subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon too, because I'll be uploading a lot of interview experiences. Don't miss any interview experience because it will help you a lot. Okay.